I might just fucking leave. No, I'm glad that you guys like the song. So there's a lot of things. Like, first of all, I am so in tune and up to date with what the fuck y'all are talking about on the internet. And I gotta close this Discord because so like I'll tell you first and foremost, I'm very much up to date. And I see the comments on Baloo. I do. I read them. I read the comments on the video. No, it's not really a video. It's just the audio video for Baloo on YouTube. And like people are like, well, why aren't you talking about the food? Like, why aren't you talking about the title? Like, when someone writes a song, the title of the song is what they're talking about. Are we that one-dimensional? Are we that one-dimensional that whenever we name something, it has to be about what we named it? Anyway. Any schmiz. The song is about, what the fuck is going on? Is that another pill bug? Am I on the set of Roly Poly Oly? What the fuck is going on with my house? That is the second giant pill bug. Ray, leave it alone. Ray, It's a big fucking bug. Hold on a second. They're very cute. I like these bugs, but I don't understand why they're in my home. Hi, little buggo. Oh, you're a big fat fucker. Hi. Hi, little juice ball. Little juice ball. Get out of here. Yeah. No, I moved outside. No, you good. Well, okay, now you good. I didn't know what you could see, so I'm just gonna move it up a little bit. But yeah, no. Okay, first of all, I know that the street food balut is a duck fetus that you eat. It's not alive when you eat it. It's already deceased. And then you eat it, and then I've never had it before. It's a metaphor for Twitter. Okay, please. It's a metaphor for Twitter. Oh, Ray, what's going on with you? Ray, get your ass. Come here, right here in my lap, in mommy's lap. Come here, right now, here. Come here, you little stinky. What's going on with you? Leave him alone. He's tormenting him. Leave him alone. What's going on? What's going on? This isn't every day. Leave him the fuck alone. Come here.
I don't know what to say to you. I don't know what to say to you. I don't know what to say to you.
I don't know how to tell him. Stop it. Please. Look at this little snort fart. Look at this little, oh, look at this little Funko Pop. Oh, Jesus Christ, please, wait, leave him alone. Leave Ray alone. He's losing it. Let him be in his little donut. A boy. It's a boy.
Yeah, you just want to be a baby. You just want to be held. You just want to be held like a little baby all day. You just want to be a little baby all day and don't get no job. You just want to be a baby, huh? That's what you want to do. Huh? You just want to be a little hairy chicken leg. You just want to be a little hairy chicken breast. You just want to be a little piece. Oh,
Jesus Christ. Oh, please. Come here. Come here. Not my son. Not my son. You good. You can go. Alright, that's it. I'm out of here. Fuck this shit. I can't do this shit no more. How did that get in my mouth? How did this even happen? It's all over me. That's the end of this. Just wanted to clear up that about the song, and I'm finished. Bye.